Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error while using effect to make your video. If you want to make your video with your favorite effect and showing an error, this effect doesn't work with this device on TikTok, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So you have to close this page, and after that guys, you have to make sure that you have an updated version of TikTok. So firstly you have to open App Store, Play Store, and there you have to search for TikTok and make sure that you have an updated version. If you have an updated version and still it's not working for you, then you have to restart your device first, and after that check whether your ROM has been fixed or not. And if the bouncer is there guys, then you have to log out your account for your TikTok, and then you have to log in your account again and then check whether your ROM has been fixed or not. And if the bouncer is there guys, then you have to open TikTok. So wait for a while, just simply tap on your profile, and after that you have to tap on three lines, then go to setting and privacy, scroll it down, tap on report a problem. So wait for a while from here and just simply scroll it down, tap on videos and sounds, and now scroll it down and tap on beauty filters effects. Now tap on this effect doesn't work with this device. So as you can see guys, showing an error. Tap on no, tap on need more help. And here you have to briefly explain about your problem. So I have already copied and given in the description as well, so you can copy from there and just simply tap on this icon, and then you have to take a screenshot of your problem first, and after that you have to attach your screenshot here and just simply tap on submit, and after that your request will be submitted and TikTok team will contact with you as soon as possible, and hopefully they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's all guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.